Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Back with another video on functions. In the past video, we have seen how we can use functions to make our life easier with repetitive tasks and how we can customize the function for specific needs by inserting the names of our friends in functions as arguments. Now what if you want to know your function what you always wish it to pass as arguments? What if you want your function to be like a barista? Okay, your personal barista of your favorite coffee house. Whenever you go to the coffee house, he knows which coffee you are accustomed to, and just you go and here he comes with your favorite coffee. And along with this, you are always open. You can always modify your choice for coffee to him. You can say, no, I am feeling lucky today, I want something new. You can change it whenever you want. So you want your function to act like this personal barista of yours. How can you do that? Okay, so here we go with the same greeting function that we are working with. Okay, what if you want your greeting function to know that whenever you don't pass a name to this greeting function, it always means that it will be your best friend called Mustafa. Okay, he should know by itself that he is Mustafa. Sorry, it's not passed here, it is passed here. And here we have completed our task of making our function smarter by making it know that the default value, if you haven't passed any arguments, any name of your friend, it means that Mustafa has arrived and you have to call his name. So let's test this function again. This time first with a name of your friend called Hussein. Yes, it's working. And now without passing any specific arguments, just general call to this function, and the function has achieved the goal. It knows that we have to greet Mustafa. Thank you very much. In today's video, we have covered how we can make our function smart like our personal baristas of our favorite coffee house by making it know that whenever we don't pass anything, it means you have to call this thing. Thank you very much.